The following is a summary of emergency management team activities in response to the COVID pandemic. It outlines some of the efforts that have taken place to prepare the campus for fall classes and faculty and staff return to work. In response to the COVID pandemic, membership of the EMT was increased to include faculty and student representatives. The EMT has been meeting twice a week since April and has been working closely with the President and his cabinet to remain abreast of current regulations and guidance. In the next few slides, I will review plans that have been developed, a frequently asked questions page that has been implemented, PPE that has been purchased, signs that have been installed, and plexiglass barriers that have been provided. The KU Fall 2020 opening plan was developed and placed on the KU website on June 25th. In addition, many supporting plans have been developed to address other needs more specifically. Some of these plans are listed here. They include the Fall 2020 Dining Services Plan, the COVID Modified Services Delivery Plan for facilities, the COVID-related HVAC Operations Plan, the plan outline for COVID cleaning and disinfection, cancellation of reservations for fall semester, COVID information for employees, fall 2020 bills for students, and student conduct pandemic response guidelines, which were updated to assist with the pandemic. This slide shows a shot of our frequently asked questions page, which has been placed on the KU website. This is continually updated as more frequently asked questions are identified. It is a great resource that everyone is encouraged to use to stay informed. The EMT has been busy procuring PPE for the campus community. To date, we have purchased the following supplies which are in stock on campus. 20,000 disposable pleated masks, 20,000 reusable cloth masks, which are in the process of being distributed, 2 to each employee and 2 to each student. 10,000 face shields, which are being provided to students and employees upon request. 127 cases of nitrile gloves. 2,430 containers of sanitizing wipes in the 75 to 100 count range. 775 containers of sanitizing wipes in a 500 count container. 2,416 16-ounce bottles of hand sanitizer, 600 1-liter bottles of hand sanitizer, 600 1-gallon containers of hand sanitizer, and 100 stands for the 1-gallon hand sanitizer containers. These supplies were purchased at an approximate cost of $172,100. More than 1,500 signs have been purchased and installed at building entrances and classrooms, restrooms, and at hand sanitizer locations. In addition, departments are ordering and installing additional signage to help with face covering requirements, social distancing, and other COVID-related needs. The exterior building signs were purchased and installed at a cost exceeding $12,500. We have also been busy receiving requirements for plexiglass barriers on campus. This slide provides information on the requests received to date, and we do continue to receive requests daily. To date, we have installed an extensive amount of barriers in food service locations in the sub, South Dining Hall, and the Academic Forum. This installation has exceeded $200,000. We've also installed over 110 freestanding barriers for offices at a cost of $10,500. And we also have received an estimate of over $200,000 to install fabricated barriers in locations where freestanding were not appropriate. I'd like to thank you for your time and listening to this presentation. Additional information can be found on the KU website at the link shown. Wishing you a safe and fruitful fall semester.